Hey, what's up folks, Mr. N here, but for the purpose of this video, worst mechanic ever.
And today on the worst mechanic ever.
So today I'm going to be just doing a quick review of this MAYBESTA lapel microphone that I picked up. It's right here somewhere. So it's this guy right here, or this guy right here. So currently I'm using the standard camera just to record the audio as a test, and I'm also going to be using my cell phone camera, Samsung S22 or whatever it is, just to test it. So this is what it sounds like from, I guess, like a foot away from my face or something like that, both on the camera and on the phone. So that's what it looks like, that's what it sounds like. And in a second I'll be switching over to the lapel. I do have to plug it back in to make that happen, so let's give it a shot. So again, here's audio on the camera on a windy, cold December day, and here's the audio coming from a cell phone on the same December, cold, windy day. So not the perfect day for a test, but it is the perfect day to test this guy out to see what happens. So let's give it a shot. Alrighty, so we just started rolling, recording with the lapel. I have the sounds both on the lapel mic and also the receiver, so transmitter receiver, full blast. I have heard that you could adjust them to make them sound a little bit better. Yes, you can play around with it. This stuff is brand new. I have no idea how to use it. This is from the cell phone just for a test. And let's go for a walk. Let's walk away probably 100 feet and see how the transmission works. So here we go, just walk a little walk. And there is going to be a lot of wind noise because I don't have the fur on the microphone and I do not have the noise cancellation turned on. So for right now, I'm just walking away from the camera, just walking away. And again, it's about 100 feet away. I was giving you my back a second ago. Now I'm facing you, and hopefully I'm in focus. Hopefully you can see me, and hopefully you can hear me, because if you cannot hear me, this sucks. And I just throw away $45. 45 bucks, that's about how much it costs. 45, 50 bucks. I paid like 46 with taxes, so round it off, say like 50 bucks. Pretty sure you can find something cheaper. I just found it, and just want to give it a shot, see how it works out. Now we're coming closer, and I'll take this back inside and we'll see what it sounds like. Actually, you know what, before doing that, let's try something else. Since there is noise, wind, and all that good stuff, let's change this thing up a little bit. I'm still gonna stay where I was standing as far as possible. Let's throw some fur on it, but before that, let's throw on the noise reduction and see what it does. Okay, so it seems like the noise reduction was on the whole time. I just turned it off. It was sitting about here. So this is what it sounds like without the noise reduction. I'm gonna walk back and then we're gonna try it out. But before that, let's try the echo. This also has an echo feature on it, and it's right here. That's with echo. Echo. And I'll turn on the noise reduction. Just testing it. This noise reduction is on. Let's turn it back off. And let's turn the echo off. And I'll put it back on my neck, and we'll be walking back towards the camera. Alrighty, so noise reduction is off. Walking back towards the camera. And it should be picking up noise now. I thought it was turned off, but now it's off. So there should be much more noise. I'll try to flip back from the cell phone to the microphone, and we'll do a nice comparison. And I'm trying to keep my voice pretty steady, just so you can compare it back to the camera. So we're here. Let's try it out. And you know what, just for the heck of it, let me try my old phone. This is my newer phone. Let me try my old phone, which I have used in the past to record audio. It's pretty horrible. Let's give it a shot. Alrighty, so I went ahead and turned the noise reduction on, in addition to actually added some fur. So right there. And now we're using the older phone, the older camera. So it's just a comparison for myself. I just wanted to see what this guy used to sound like compared to this guy here. And let me also get the camera back on just for the heck of it. So that should be it. So the fur, the camera, straight from the camera, no lapel, nothing like that. So.